Okay, welcome back, guys. Video number 2 in our ease of use series is on configuring a bond. So a little bit of context from our last video. On that video, we saw that we have 3 lines that we need to put into our bond, 2 DSL lines and a cable line. We showed you our management interface. We showed you our speed test tool that's built right into the interface so that we have a fast and accurate way to see what these legs are actually capable of, and then we go back and we use that as the starting point for building a good bond. What you'll see in this coming up video is, now that we've built this bond with these 3 legs, what are the speed results going to be? What is the total aggregated bandwidth going to be? So now that I've been able to gather the link intelligence required via the built-in speed test tool, I'm able to take those results and come back into the main section of where I configure my bond. I'm able to define those 3 legs and enter those test results here. So I've got my 2 PPPoE legs defined for my ADSL legs. I can enable the interfaces that I want them to be on the bonder, and then I can define the link speeds up and down. And I do the same for my cable leg, which is going to go here under the DHCP leg. So as we can see, I've been able to define all those speeds, and I get a total of 20 by 5 total aggregated bandwidth. The next thing I want to point out is the concept of the connected IP. This is going to be the consistent IP that's always up that we're routing through to the bonder at the customer's site. So regardless of which legs are up and down in that failover scenario, that IP is always consistent for the customer. So now that we've run our individual leg tests, we understand exactly what those legs are capable of, and we've gone and entered that information into the management interface while we were building our bond. The next thing I want to demonstrate to you is the high efficiency of our bonding technology. Now, as you've seen in the slide deck, we have a total available bandwidth of 20 megabits down by 5 megabits up. So I've gone here and I've loaded up this basic speedtest.net test, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click begin test, and I'm going to see out of that total aggregated bandwidth what we're able to achieve. First thing to run is the download test, and as you can see, we've ended up with an 18.48 megabit download out of our total aggregated bandwidth available of 20 megs down. So that's an excellent result. Now we're doing the upload tests, and again, another excellent result of 4.35 megabits up out of a total available 5 megabits.